All right, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to do a quick install with the RainX Silicone AdvantEdge. Now, a lot of these RainX wiper blades are great. They have a lot of different mechanisms on the top. This one is the newest one that I've seen, and I'm going to show you really quickly just how to open it up and put it on. So let's do it. All right, so I'm going to pop this baby open here any way I can because I don't really care. There we go. Now, as you can see, this mechanism, again, is a little bit different than the rest of them. So, I'm not going to keep this long at all. How do you get this thing on? Well, here's the trick. We have a regular J-hook, but as the box shows, it will fit a few different kinds. There you go. So, basically, what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do this one-handed here, is you see these circles? You're just going to press those in, and by doing so, you can raise this side up. So now you got a little flap there, and all we're going to do is now drop the hook in. So again, one-handed. This should only take about 5 seconds with both hands. All right. So once you got it in place, it's a little tough to see, but really you're just hooking it right on the inside of the little bar in there, and then pull it up. There you go. So you can see that it's locked in there now, and that's it. And then you just flick that and you're done. Of course, these yellow things need to come off. They should not stay on the window. They're just to protect the wiper while they're in the box and you're moving them around. I'm only leaving them on for a second. I'm actually going to go get some RainX spray and spray down my windshield and get a nice coating on there. So between that and these brand new wipers, I should be all set. So I appreciate you all watching. Leave your comments down below. Was this simple enough? What are you guys using for rain wipers on your cars? I appreciate all the likes, shares. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you all next time. SK Lifestyle.